Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Storing data in a dictionary from a file using Python methods and instances is a common task in programming. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step, using a practical example. We'll create a Python class to handle the file operations and demonstrate how to use methods and instances to store data in a dictionary. Let's start by creating a class named DataHandler that will handle the file operations and dictionary storage. Now, let's use the DataHandler class to read data from a file, add new data to the dictionary, and then write the updated data back to the file. This example assumes a simple format for the data in the file, but you can modify the methods according to your specific data format. This tutorial provides a foundation that you can build upon for more complex scenarios. ChatGPT.